Hi guys, just want to show you this. It's a single burner that I bought off Amazon, £7.43, believe it or not. Originally I bought it as a backup. I was off to France and I wanted like I say, a backup just in case anything went wrong with my primary burner, and it's actually been that good that I use it all the time. So let's have a look at it. Okay guys, just before I show you this, I have to apologise about the background noise. The sailing club are here at the moment and they are practising their capsizing and stuff, so apologies about that. Right, you can see it comes in a little blue case. I would imagine it's not everybody's favourite colour, but it tends to stand out in my accessory bag. You know what it's like sometimes if you've got everything the colour of camo green, then sometimes it's hard to find particular items. So yeah, that comes in quite handy. It's 5 by 4 by 1 inch in depth. I haven't got the weight yet, but I'll find that out when I get back home and I'll pop the weight onto the screen for you. Right, so if we open it up, this is what you get. You get the valve or the main burner, whatever it's called. Then you get, sorry, this is the burner. You get that. You can see you got 4 fold out lugs or supports. Now I've had this for probably 5 or 6 months and I've used it a lot. I don't know exactly how many times, but I've used it a lot. Probably, at a guess, I'd say probably 20-25 times. So more than enough for me to get a proper feel for it. Underneath, got the screw thread. That simply screws in there. I won't do that yet, because I'm going to put that onto the gas bottle first. And here you can see that just drops down. That's obviously your flame control rubber gasket or washer. And what I do is, just to prolong the life of this, just smear a little bit of Vaseline on that. It just prevents it drying out and cracking, and it also makes better contact with the gas bottle, because that can slip rather than grip and pull against it itself. So yeah, get the gas bottle. Okay, so I put that up. This is so quick to set up, it really is. So this is the way I like to do it. I pop that on the bottle first, then flip that down, screw that on, and then you don't have to open these supports. I do because well, I open them out when I put a frying pan on. If I'm using a small kettle, I just leave them like that. And then you know the rest. Light it up. Hopefully there's a little bit of gas left. There you go guys, £7.43. That has been brilliant, it really has. I'll turn it off. I just don't see what's going to go wrong with this. If you look after this, could potentially last you a lifetime. All feels really well made. I would imagine the first thing to go, if you're not careful, would be these. If you're careful with those, then like I say, you should get a lot of usage out of it. But yeah, I'll put the link below, and yeah, cheers for watching guys, see you soon.